Hey everybody, it's Thursday, May the 9th. Hard to believe this week is going by really fast. Tomorrow's Friday already. Wasn't able to do a video, got back just too late. I don't like posting videos late, even though some on YouTube do. I don't, because it pretty much becomes after the fact at that point, which is absolutely worthless to everybody. Welcome to everybody. If those of you are new, welcome. First time here. Gonna go through this. I had trades on from was it Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. So the pound dollar, I was able to get in. Signals finally showed up over here, and I was able to get in on that candle. I've taken off half the position on it. I'm looking for it to come up back into here. So I hope that's what's going to happen. I've got my stop at break even on this on the second half. I got my 30 pips on the first half, so that trade is working out good. So it's just hopefully it's going to continue the rest of this afternoon and tonight. I'm going to have to look at tightening the stop when it gets up into here, because that could be resistance. As you see, we closed below it, went up, touched it, fell off, so I have to tighten the stop up when it gets up to there. But in the meantime, I'm at break even on this candle because my arrows showed up. Is what I've been waiting for, that thing to show up, because I knew it was going to be, could be a short term. Sometimes it does happen, but hey, I've got half the position off, so that's fine. Second half, hopefully it's going to do what it's supposed to do. It may retrace some before it goes higher. If it does, I may add to the position, which would give me a low risk trade on the second half as well. Aussie dollar, not in it. Yeah, it wound up being a good sell. We had talked about that you had a couple of opportunities right there to get in. Even there, I think it was over here when we were talking about it in the video on Tuesday afternoon. That would have been your stop, and that would have been a great stop, because now you'd have made pretty good money on that, and it's come back up to where it fell from right there. But I'm not in this trade. Remember, this is for trading education purposes only. Trade at your own risk. You can lose money, and you can lose all your money, so don't forget that. Do your own research, your due diligence. Don't follow anybody blindly. That's crazy to do, especially on YouTube. Of course, I'm on there too, but I mean, I have my stops in place, and they're low risk trades. So pound CAD, wasn't able to get into this one. I kept looking for opportunities, and there was here now, about 6 hours ago, 9 o'clock this morning. It just hadn't gone anywhere. I'm not in that one. I really need it to come down a little bit more, but it may run away here, and if it does, it does. Pound yen, I'm only looking for sales. There is a sell set up there, but whenever you get this many 1, 2, 3 poke ups there, it could fail right here. But I'm looking at possibly taking, because it is a low risk trade, looking at taking that sell. I'll only do sales on the pound yen, CAD yen, odd yen, euro yen, and New Zealand yen. Only looking for sales right now. Euro New Zealand, there's nothing to do on it, no setup as of yet. Pound New Zealand, same thing, even though it's got arrows, there is no setup. There is a low risk trade there, 44 to 70. It's 20, about 28, 29 pip risk right now if you got in pound New Zealand. But let's see, I may look at taking this, because how far away are we from we're a good distance. We're a good distance. So I may take this buy on the pound New Zealand. It looks better than the euro New Zealand. There's no setup there. New Zealand yen, I'm only looking for sales. It is setting up a 1 hour, and we are above. This is where I was looking for it to go, up into here somewhere. So there may be a sell opportunity on the New Zealand yen and the pound yen. The euro Aussie, I talked about over here that I was in it. and it come down, didn't stop me out. I did not get stopped out until right over here. Yep, right there, because I had my stop right there. But I got the half off on that push-up, and my second half from being down here, I was taking off up here. So that was actually 78, 162.78 is where I got in, and I actually got stopped out right then there. So that was 30, 24, oh my math, that's 22, 46. No, that's not right. Is that right? 46 on the second half and 35 on the first half. So that got 81 pips. The Euro Aussie. The pound Aussie, I was over here and I got stopped out right there. So that was a low risk trade. I only lost $11 on it, so I did have a loser. And Euro CAD, remember I was in over here, took half off on it. It was 35, and let's see, I got stopped out right there on that candle because my stop was right here. Got stopped up there, but the second half, make bukus of money. This is my big winner for the week, was this one, the Euro CAD. Because it done really, really good. Really good. It was 82 on the Euro CAD. I'm out of that, by the way, even though the sale set up there and it worked, but it ran away. So it didn't give you a chance to get in. So I'm looking, if it is going to be a sale, looking for a push up somewhere up into here for a sale opportunity. Now that won't happen today, maybe tonight, but nothing to do right now till it gets up there. And the pound Aussie was in over here, got stopped out. So I basically had 164 pips I made on the Euro Aussie and the Euro CAD, and I lost 11 on the pound Aussie. So I'm in the pound New Zealand now, long. I'm in long on that. And of course I'm still in the pound dollar, but this is going to be resistance. That's what I got to watch for. And a pullback, because the second half of my position, already taken off 30 pips on it. So if you add the 30 that I got, let's see, minus the 11 I lost, that's 19. 19 plus 184, 203 for the week. And that's with a loss. But you have to, that's the key. You got to keep your losses small. They can't be big, and your winners have to be a lot more than your losers. Otherwise you won't make any money. And it's hard for people to do that, to have patience to let it run like that. But that's something you have to learn on your own. So I'm not in, like I said, I'm not in the Aussie dollar, but I'm in the pound dollar. And the pound yen, I think I'm going to take it a sell too. And that, the high of that candle is my stop, 81. And it's trading at 67. So that's about $17 risk, almost $17 risk. 16 and some change, just to be exact, is my risk on the pound yen short. And let's see, the pound New Zealand, or the New Zealand yen. I'm looking for a sell. I'm not in it yet, but I'm looking for a sell opportunity on it. And the pound New Zealand, I am long on the pound New Zealand. And that would be my most expensive risk. which is 26, almost 26. If I lose on this, I'd lose 26 bucks almost with the spread. So still, even if I lose that one and I lose the pound yen and I lose, well, that's it. That's all I'm in. I'm still going to wind up having a good week. Good week. So, if anybody's got questions or comments, feel free to go to my video. Underneath the video, there's a comment section. Put your comment in there. Ask your question, whatever it may be. I think it's pretty self-explanatory what I do. I'm a lot different than probably 99% of the traders on YouTube. I did have somebody ask me again about why I don't post. I get some of these same questions, and apparently they don't look at the videos, because I have them in there a lot. And, how deceiving that is, the wins and losses and break-evens, whether it's on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. You need to know the pips, so that way you can divide all the trades, the number of trades, including the break-evens. You have to take those too into the total number of pips, and then you'll come up with how much they get on average per winning trade. So just keep that in mind. It's very, very important to have that. Like I said, I've told it before. I said I can have losing trades, which I did 2 weeks ago, I think it was, where I had 2 winners and 6 losers. 2 winners and 6 losers. Yep. Now if I just posted that and nothing else, I guarantee you nobody's going to come back and look at my room or subscribe or anything like that. But the key is, how many pips did you get? I still wind up making almost 200 pips, even with those 6 losers. So that's why I'm saying it's deceiving. It's very, very deceiving. Don't follow those who just do that. You got to follow somebody who's got the total number of pips with all the trades. Then you can divide it into that. So if they're hiding that, or they refuse to give you that, I would unsubscribe from the room. And of course you can't unlike, but I don't think. But then go from there. I won't have a video tomorrow because I say on all my videos on Thursdays that I don't trade on Friday. The big boys don't trade on Fridays, so I'm not going to be there either. I'm not going to fight the average Joe, which is me and you. So I let them have at it, and then I go do about whatever I want to on Friday and Saturday and Sunday. So basically I have a 3-day weekend. So it makes it pretty plain and simple. The volume dries off greatly on Friday, and that's because the big boys they're gone, ones that move to market. So if they're gone, there's no need for me to be here either. Just going to try to get the piece of the pie whenever they're there, which is Monday through Thursday. So the video is being recorded. It will be posted in about 15 or 20 minutes. So we'll see you guys on Monday with another video.